Today I was at the flea market and got these two beautiful cameras. First of all, a Canon Canonet 28. It's the second one I own. I still have one here. I don't know if it works, but I opened it up because the battery compartment here was dirty, and I tried to clean it, and it lays in my shelf since, I don't know, maybe 1 year. So I don't think I will. Maybe sometimes I will make a repair. But this one seems to work fine. I didn't have a look at it that much. The aperture opens if you make it to air. Oh, it works, but okay, it doesn't work. I didn't have a look if there's still a battery. There is a battery in it, okay. And of course this thing directly gone off. Oh, there's a battery. Is it made in Germany? That's probably is a mercury battery. Camera seems to work fine. That's good. Let's have a check. Can you see it? Ooh. Very bad camera work today. Ach. 1.35 volts. So this is a original mercury battery that should be banned. I have here, I don't know, that's I think just a replacement battery, but it has a lower voltage. And I have this wine cell batteries, but I don't want to open them for just testing the camera, because I heard that they go empty very fast. I don't know. But now I have a nice 600 PX 625 battery. The battery compartment looks clean. So I think this camera is ready to shoot. So how does this go? Like this. Of course, I get a new camera and I break it instantly. Dude, why? Ah, okay. So. I bought both of them for 80 euros, which is about $86 for my American viewers. I don't think I have any, but maybe in the future. So, okay. I've wondered because the camera worked on auto mode. I tested it on the flea market with different apertures and it was pretty fine. But now I get it when I put it in front of the light. Maybe I have a look through it. Yeah, when I look through it, the needle is moving. So I would say this camera is pretty good. Of course, lens looks okay. Maybe some dust, but I think that's okay. And I didn't have a look inside it. I think there's still okay, no ooh, look at that. Tasty light seal foam. I think this camera will be my next project because it's a nice camera. I really like this compact cameras, just like the Olympus 35 RC. I made a video about that camera a few days ago or weeks. I took it to Greece. Maybe I will take this camera on my next vacation. Yeah, but that's dirty. That will be some work, but it's worth it, I would say. Ooh, maybe these corners here are a bit hard. I will have a look. So analog is approved, this camera, good. And I will look at the next one. So I would say both cameras for 80 euros. This camera's 40, this camera 40. And on Etsy, this, because obviously I sell them on Etsy, it's my business. On Etsy and have a look. Canonet 28. So this camera goes for around 180 euros. So after tax and shipping and like what Etsy gets, fees, it's about 100 euros in my pocket for, I would say I need 1 hour for the new light seals. And of course I will take this camera out to shoot, test it with film. And yeah, I would say that's a pretty good payment for 1 hour of work. So, and now Canon AE-1, a camera, I don't know, I think I have like 5 of them here. The case, the housing is a bit bad. Maybe I have to do a paint job here and new screws because they look kind of rusty. Of course I will need a new mirror damper here, and this one is dead. So, but the rest of it looks okay. There's no battery in it. I have a check it in a second. So, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will clean it. Just standing high here. I don't know why, but these bags are changeable. Maybe I will put on there another one. But the camera looks pretty good. Besides that, let's have a look. Don't break the battery compartment because they tend to break really easy and they're a bit bad to fix when you don't want to open everything up. So if you want battery, I think this 6-volt batteries, because the camera doesn't take any, it's just for the shutter and the light meter, so the camera, they're for a whole life. Put it in. So let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. Of course it works, of course. Let's look at if the times are good. Bulk mode. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Geht ab wie Schmidts Katze, we would say in Germany. Yeah, but I think that's Canon AE-1. It's about 1 hour to clean everything up here. But you see like the, yeah, like this, I forgot the English term, but you know what I mean? It's a bit moldy. Maybe I have to open everything up, FBI open up and clean it. I will have a look at it. But yeah, the viewfinder is pretty clean. So there's no dust in the prism. Probably I have to make here this one clean, paint it back to white here not. That looks good, but the number, this sign, I've done that a couple of times. Not a hard work. So this one, I sold one a few weeks ago for about, I have to look, where is it? I sold, yeah, Canon AE-1 in black for over 200 euros to Britain. And I would say, again, 40 euros, 1 hour of work. Of course, there's a lens missing, but you can get lenses, FD lenses, pretty cheap if they have fungus in it, and just open them up, clean out the fungus and put them on there again. Not a big work, good tutorials on YouTube, so I would say about 150 euros again in my pocket. So I have this beautiful cap. I love them. I have so many of them. So maybe I will make some videos where I go to the flea market and film how I talk with the seller. It's a Russian or Ukrainian guy. I've bought so many cameras from him. Hard to negotiate, but at the end of the day, it's always a good price. Maybe I will make some more videos about that. The next video will be about how I make new light seals into this Canonet, because I really want to test this camera, because I've really got in love with this rangefinder cameras. 40mm lens, f2.8. Maybe I will get myself a Canonet with this, what's the name, QL? I don't know, you know what I mean, with the 1.7mm f1.7 lens. Yeah. So have a nice day. Leave in the something in the comments or not. I don't care. I just make videos because I have fun on it. Ciao. Tschüss.